This is the proposed cost estimation for this 4-bedroom bungalow designed for comfort, functionality and modern living in Ede, Osun State, Nigeria 2026. The building measures 18 meter by 12 meter, giving a total floor area of 216 square meters. The type of foundation is pad foundation. The entrance pouch is 9 feet by 7 feet. The kitchen veranda is 10 feet by 4 feet. The anteroom or small parlor is 11 feet by 9 feet, with a toilet of 7 feet by 3 feet. The living room and dining room is 26 feet by 14 feet. The kitchen is 12 feet by 10 feet with a store of 6 feet by 6 feet. The guest room is 11 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 10 feet by 4 feet. Bedroom 1 is 14 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. Bedroom 2 is 14 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 9 feet by 5 feet. And the master bedroom is 17 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 9 feet by 5 feet. All rooms are ensuite and fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. For the foundation level, using 5 coach of block, you need 70 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, 10 tons of chippings, 1,800 blocks, 60 length of rods and labor, bringing the total cost of foundation to 4.5 million. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1.4 million to buy 7 trips of sand, including labor. This process ensures proper leveling, compaction, and provides a base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as the German floor, with the plinth beam or chaining beam, you need 30 lengths of iron rods, 5 rolls of BRC, 1 roll of DPM nylon, 97 bags of cement, 2 trips of sand, and 15 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost, including workmanship, to 2.5 million naira for the DPC. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration and enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 4,500 blocks, 56 bags of cement, and 1 trip of sand, which amounts to 5.1 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the building walls up to the roof height. For the pillar and lintel casting, you will need 160 length of iron rods, 20 bags of cement, and half a trip of sand, bringing the total cost for materials and labor to 1.7 million for the pillar and lintel casting. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the concrete fascia, also known as parapet, you need 3 million naira. For the roofing, you need 440 square meter of roofing sheets, 484 pieces of 2x2, 290 pieces of 2x4, and 60 pieces of 3x4, bringing the total cost of roofing to 6 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather elements. From the foundation up to the roofing, the total cost is 24 million naira. Then for the plastering, you need 130 bags of cement and 2 trips of sand, which comes up to a total cost of 2.5 million for the plastering, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, you need 3.6 million for 2 entrance doors, 10 units of 3-feet doors, and 5 units of 2-feet doors, including installation. For the windows, you need 3.3 million for 23 windows, including installation. For the electrical conduits, you need 3.7 million, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, you need 2.8 million, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you will need 74 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.5 million for POP ceiling. For the wall screeding, you need 40 buckets of screeding paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million for the wall screeding. For the matte painting, you will need 23 drums of primer paint and 23 drums of matte paint for both the interior and exterior surfaces, including workmanship. This amounts to 2 million naira for painting. For the tiling, you will need 100 cartons of wall tiles and 170 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 3.9 million for the tiling. The total cost for just the building comes to 47 million naira. This cost does not include septic and soakaway pits, water tank stand, external wall flooring, and engineering supervision fees. Note, the price differs depending on your taste of finishing, size of the building, site location, and current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small, small. Remember, inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 07064234077 today to begin your building project now. And also, to get your architectural design, MEP, building estimate and structural drawings designed to match your taste, styles and standards. How much does it cost to build a 4-bedroom bungalow in Nigeria?